Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to add Roblox to your status on Discord. So you just have to go to your web browser and then log in your Discord account. So this is what it looks like. Now, once you have logged in your Discord account, you just have to go to your Roblox. Okay, open Roblox to any of the web browser. So I'm currently using Google web browser here. Log into your account. Okay, if you haven't downloaded the Roblox application, you have to download it first and then select any of the games here. For example, this one. Now, all you have to do is to tap this green button. Okay, and then download, install, and then open. Okay, so once you open your Roblox, all you have to do now is to simply go back to your Discord account or application. Then you can see here on the left side that you're currently playing Roblox. As easy as that. Now, if you haven't seen this one yet, then you can go to your settings, tap this gear icon here, scroll down, and go to activity privacy. Okay, tap this one here. And then this is what it looks like. Please make sure that activity status is on. Now go to registered games and you can see here that you are currently playing Roblox. If you haven't seen this one, then you can go to add it and then add Roblox. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.